Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a bit different. Today's video is only going to be focused on one thing, and that is oily hair and oily scalp. Seems like the problem of literally every other person that I know, because this is for the people who have asked me a million times on Instagram, on my DMs, that what to do about my oily scalp or my oily hair, even if I wash it every day. So you know what, I'm going to ask you to do one thing that is going to be very difficult for you. Stop washing your hair every day. And I know this sounds insane, because you would think that my hair is already oily and my scalp is so oily, and you're asking me to stop washing my hair? That does not make sense. But then it actually does. See, your hair needs natural oils that it produces itself, okay? Your scalp produces it. And then by washing your hair every day, what you do is you get rid of them as well. All the essential oils, all the natural oils that your hair requires, you get rid of them as well. So what happens, the scalp thinks that it's out of any natural oils and it needs more oil. So what it does is, instead of your hair being drier, what happens is your scalp produces even extra oil, even more like oil than normally required. So this is why usually when you wash your hair every day, you tend to have an oily scalp. So do one thing. See, I know you are into a habit of it, so you cannot like just out of nowhere go cold turkey on yourself, and you cannot stop washing your hair every day just out of the blue. So what you can do is you can start reducing, like decreasing the amount of showers you take. I mean, head baths you take in a week. If you wash it daily, reduce it to like 3 times a day maybe. And then no, try 4 times a day, because 3 times a day would be too much for you guys. So for a start, try 4 times a day, and then start reducing it. See, the ideal amount would be 2 to 3 times a week, okay? And so have I been saying 3 to 4 times a day? Sorry, I meant 3 to 4 times a week. Excuse me. Okay, excuse me for that. And yeah, that is it. Start doing this, and then see, you will not see the results like in a go. You will have to try this for at least a month or 2 to actually start seeing the differences, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys like this, and I will try to make more videos like these, like more short videos like these, because the previous videos, I know, they're quite long. But okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.